Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be building a boat. This boat's pretty easy build, so that's what the boat should look like when you finish it. So you need 20 blocks long, so just go and do that now. And you need fences and an oak boat, oak fences and whatever those are. And oak doors and white concrete, black stained glass and oak wood planks. That's what you need. Alright, so you count by 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then you make it same length as that until you see it's the same length. It should be the same length. We just have to get rid of these animals. Then you sort of like do a curve. You do 3, then 3, then then you do that. That's what your boat should look like so far. This boat should be pretty easy to build. You do that. So just keep doing this, but this bit you do like that. It's a bit different. So you just keep leveling it up. I mean, you don't really level it up high. This boat's only 1 story, so it's not that high. Oh, you leave this bit empty. Leave 8 blocks empty. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And on the 9th block, place one there. And connect it. Right, it's connected. Alright, now this might be a little weird, but you put the wood here. And you fill it in with wooden planks. So this ship build is pretty easy, or it should be. Alright, you just keep building across. And you don't redo anything down the bottom area there. You just leave that out. Right, so just keep building. It's pretty simple, this build. Should be pretty easy. Alright. Don't place a block down there. Why do I keep accidentally placing blocks everywhere? Alright, and you put it here. Alright. Just keep building it. Alright, that's good. Then down on the 2nd block, you put it across. And you put another row across. Then in the middle, you place 2 there, then place 4. And that's sort of your stairs, I guess. Then you place here some gates. Place some more gates. Then if you want, you can place some boats here. They're sort of like lifeboats. But this boat's not to have like heaps of people. Because this boat isn't really a big boat. Right, you just keep placing fences everywhere. So this might look a bit weird, but don't worry. Alright, you just keep building cross and cross. There we go. Now you count in 3. 1, 2, 3. On the 4th block, you place them. You don't put any block here. Oh, you leave a gap for the doors. Alright, don't place door like that. Then you just keep placing glass panes. Then you count 3 blocks, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So you do it on both of the same sides. Alright, then you put a pillar up, or you put 3 up. 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, and 3. Then you place some windows in the middle of here. Then 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Damn it, I keep messing this thing up. You don't do 3 there, you do 4. Right, then you do it again for the final time. Then you place windows there. Now we're to the front of the boat. You place 2, 1, 2. Then you connect it. Then you put windows all across here until it's like connected. Then you put blocks over. Let's put blocks all over here. Then you fill this all in with wood up the top. Just fill it all in. That's pretty much the ship done. That's what it should look like if you have done it right. And you can like put water around it so you can go on the boats and like ride them around or whatever you want to do. But this is a ship for like maybe 4 people. Good for 4 people because 4 people can fit in each boat. So 2 can fit in that one and that one. So that's pretty much done. Comment if you're having any troubles. Comment if you want me to build more ships and stuff or boats. So bye guys.